Good morning, kids. I have given you 7 homeworks from your Jeevan book for the last 7 days. So again I am giving you the homework for the next 7 days, but from your assignment booklet. This is your max assignment booklet, and in this week you are going to get the homework from this max assignment booklet only. So listen to me very carefully. And don't do all the homework in a single day. Do one homework in a day. If you practice to do one homework in a day, gradually it will become your habit. Okay, let me now explain you the homework pages one by one. So write this homework will start from tomorrow. So write tomorrow's date, 19/7/2020. Okay, this page pre-number skill big small you have already know, as you have done it in your Jeevan folder booklet also. So big small concept, tick the big one and cross the small one. So this is a big item, so put a tick here, and this is a small item, put a cross here. So you have to write, you have to put a tick for all the big items and cross for all the small items. Okay, done. And you have to do this page, long short page. Long short is, I'll explain you. Tick the long one and cross the short one. So for all the long objects you have to put a tick, and for all the small objects you have to put a cross. Okay, long short, and then light heavy. So for tick the heavier one and cross the lighter one. जो heavy है उस items के ऊपर tick लगा दो, जो light items है, हल्का है, उसके ऊपर cross करना है. So do this rest of the sums the same way. Okay, next, more less. So जिसमें which group has more items, put a tick. No need to put a cross. So as ma'am has given, tick the group with more objects. That's it. So compare the two groups. This group has more objects, so put a tick. Don't put a cross here. Okay. So do these 4 pages. Page number 1 to page number 4 on single day. I mean tomorrow. Tomorrow you have to do these 4 pages. And then on Monday, that is 20, you have to do this filling numbers. Fill the missing numbers in the roller coaster. You have to complete the missing numbers. This is actually counting from 1 to 50. As I have already taught you, counting from 1 to 50, do the missing numbers. Okay. This we will do it. Page number 6 we will do later. Now come to page number 7. This is your Tuesday's homework. You have to write the number names, spellings. Numbers are given, objects are given, number of objects are given. You have to write the spelling like O-N-E-1, like this, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to do the number names. Okay, this is your Tuesday's homework. On the same day you have to do this page also on Tuesday. So count the number of objects and write the number and number name. Like one is done for you already. So I am doing the second one. 1, 2, 3. So write number 3 here and the spelling of number 3. Number names, THREE3. Okay, like this. Clear? Do these 2 pages on the single day. And then table we will do it later. Your Wednesday's homework is, this is actually not a homework, it is just a fun activity. So you have to join the dots from number 1 to 50 and color the elephant also, because this is a very happy and smiling elephant. It looks very beautiful if you color it. But remember always, don't join the numbers, join the dots. See, some dots are given here, you have to join the dots only. Okay, like this. Some children they generally join the numbers को नहीं join करना, यहाँ जो dots दिया है उसको join करना. Okay, numbers you have to join numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, your Thursday work, we have already done this ordering of numbers. Okay, only you have to pick the numbers from the basket and order the numbers. You have to write properly. 9, 10 and 11. How you have to write? 3 dashes are given here. 9, 10 and 11. Okay, so like this 13, 14, 15. 13, 14, 15, and you have to order every group, like 25, 26, 27, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so pick the numbers from the baskets and write properly in a proper order. Okay, next, on the same day you have to do this also, because no date is given here. You have to encircle the greatest number. Compare all the numbers 8, 9, 11, 15 and 12, and compare and select the greatest number, and you have to encircle it. So here I am doing one for you. 15 is the greatest number here, so I am encircling 15 here. So like this, do the rest of the sums. Take the smallest number also. Here you have to tick the small number. See the take one set of numbers and then check which one is the smaller one and put a tick. 8, 9, 11, 12, 15. Which one is the smallest number here? So 8 is the smallest number. So put a tick. You can use a color pencil, so it will be very clear for me. And then next page, what comes after? You do it on Thursday. Thursday is done. Friday work. Friday 67, 68, 93, 94, 79, 80. Because all these concepts we have already covered before vacations only. So this is for your practice work. Can you do it? What comes after, what comes before, what comes in between. I have made few videos also on this, explained everything in detail how you have to do it. If you have any doubt, you can clarify with the video, or else you can do it yourself. Okay, this is not so much difficult. Once you understand the concept, it is very easy. So your Friday work, equal to, greater than and less than. This is your Friday work. Here there is no date given, still you can write the date. Compare the groups and then put greater than, less than or equal to sign. And your Saturday work, smallest to biggest. So take all the numbers, compare the numbers and write from smallest to biggest number. The smallest number should come first and then the biggest number should come last. See the first digit 3, 1, 1, 2, 1. So first you have to take these two numbers. When the first digits are same, 1, 1 same है, जो first digit is same, go for the second digit. मैंने सब कुछ समझाया आपको, वीडियो में भी समझाया और ऑनलाइन क्लास में भी समझाया, तो आपको मालूम होगा. Still I am explaining you one more time. So ये 14 और 12, these two numbers have the same digit in its first place. In their first place. Okay. So if the first digit is same, then we have to go for the second digit. The second digit is 4 and 12. Sorry, 2. So this is the smallest number here. So 12 should come here and then 14. Then 2 is smaller than 3. So 24 will come here and 32 will come last. So this way, compare each and every number, compare the digits and then complete this work yourself. Smallest to biggest. This is your Saturday's work. Till Saturday, do page number 15. So the rest of the pages, can I give you page number 16 also for Sunday's work? Next Sunday, Can you do it? So you have to do 1 or 2 pages only in a day. I mean, you are doing one concept in a day, isn't it? Can you do it? So write date. This is your next Sunday's homework. Still, you please cross check the dates and days. You have to complete page number 16 till page number 16. Okay, that's it. By Sunday, by next Sunday, do page number till page number 16. This is biggest to smallest. The same way you have to compare the numbers. First digit 2, 4, 5, 3. So which is the biggest number here? 5. The digit which has the highest number in its first place. So 52 will come first. And then 5 के बाद 4, फिर 3, फिर 2. 4, 42 and 3, 33 and 25. Okay. So in this way, compare all the first digits. If the first digits are same, then go for the next digit. Compare the numbers and write the numbers from biggest to smallest. So do till page number 16. Okay. Do 1 or 2 pages in a day. Don't do all the work in a single day. I'm again and again telling you. Okay. That's all for today. This is your homework today from Max assignment booklet. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.